Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights.
The Honor Magic 8 series is finally set to launch globally this month, and today we're getting an early unboxing and first look at the standard version of the Honor Magic 8. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. Starting from the front, the design immediately stands out. It features 4 perfectly symmetrical, ultra-thin bezels on all sides, giving it a sleek and balanced appearance. No issues at all here. Looking from the side, you'll notice a completely flat display. No curves, no gimmicks, just a clean, straight design from the front all the way to the back. On the right side, you'll find both the AI button and the power button, along with the volume rockers placed conveniently on the same side. Now, let's talk about what really makes this phone interesting. The back design is quite a departure from the previous generation. It keeps that same flat, minimalist profile, no noticeable curves or bulges anywhere, apart from the camera bump, of course. Visually, it's a stunning piece of design. Take a closer look at the texture on the back. Doesn't it remind you of roux-kiln ceramics? It gives off that delicate, artistic vibe, almost like you can hear the crackling of porcelain when it cools down. That's exactly the inspiration behind this design. The texture is built right into the material itself, not a coating, not a print, and it looks absolutely beautiful. Moving on to the camera module, you'll notice it's neatly integrated into a square frame. There's a small AI Mage label on the back, while the rest of the branding and text is subtly placed along the side. Very minimal and elegant. Remember, the unit you're seeing here is the standard version of the Honor Magic 8, and honestly, I'm really impressed with how it looks. What do you think? How would you rate this design? Drop your thoughts down in the comments below. I'll be posting a full detailed review once the phone officially launches, so make sure you hit that subscribe button and join our tech family to catch the first complete review of the Honor Magic 8. See you in the next video.